itching Rocky's feather?
He's itching his feather. It was
Ooh,
a feather.
ooh.
He's itching himself with a feather.
Shh. Oh, is that your feather? Oh, it feels good, huh? Oh, Freebird. Oh, red feather Freebird. Ooh. That don't look like your feather. Whose feather is that?
Is that Rocky's feather?
Oh, it feels good, huh? Ooh. That's a big feather.
Is that Rocky's feather?
Try to get back. Look, he likes it.
It's my feather. It's mine. It's mine.
Are you itching yourself with somebody else's
It's
feather?
my feather.
No, you don't want to give up the feather? Ooh, feels good, huh? Oh yeah. All right. Ooh. You know I was doing that, right? I was itching him with it. He grabbed it out of my hand. Ooh. Does that feel good? Maybe he's a girl. Maybe he likes Rocky.
Who's Rocky?
The birds.
He likes Trisha.
That feather belongs to a bird named Rocky.
That's the Rocky's feather?
Yeah, you saw the bird. The big bird.
When you blow on his tail, he goes, what?
Do you like that feather?
But that's all he knows how to say. What? What?
Can I have the feather back? Can I have the feather? Can I? Can I? No? Can I have the feather back? Can I? Can I? No? Whoa. Can I have the feather? Can I? Can I? Can I have that feather?
Are you okay?
No?
Stop.
Give me the feather. Give me the feather. Ooh. Give me the feather. Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, no. Can I have the feather? Give me the feather. Give me the feather. Give me. Oh, it's hitting you.
Nope.
Oh. Look at scratching it. Does that feel good? It feels like a back scratcher? Ooh, yeah.
It's a back scratcher.
Nice. Can I have it back? That's mine. That's mine. Give it to me. Give it to me. You want me to itch you with it? Ooh, wait. Here. Ooh, that feel good? You better not bite me. I can't see if you are. Ooh.
He's squinching his eyes.
Woohoo.
Give it back to him. Give it back.
Here.
He's funny.
No, he don't. He wants me to do it. Woohoo, yeah. It feels good, huh? Here. You like that? Huh? Woo-hoo. Here, you want it back? Here. Woo-hoo.
He wants it.
Uh-oh. Here, let's see. Uh-oh.
Oh, you stopped that feather.
Here. You want me to do it again? Oh, here. Here, you can have it back. Want it back? Oh. Oh, feels good, huh? Oh, you want it under there? You want it under there?
He's ticklish.
Uh-oh.
He's sharpening it. For
Oh, you don't want it no more? Woohoo.
itchy, itchy, itchy.
Woohoo.
Itchy, itchy, itchy.
Want to see you? Watch.
Oh.
4 minutes.